Hello friends, it's Halloween time here in the US, and I thought it would be fun to share with you a few days in my life while we're visiting Los Angeles during Halloween. Here are some of the things that I want to share with you. We went out to a delicious Japanese restaurant, and I'm going to show you how I order when I go out to eat, following a whole food plant-based way of life. We went to a great museum called the Museum of Contemporary Art and saw a fabulous exhibit called Monuments. I'm going to show you some of the food that I prepared while we stayed at our kids' house here in LA. One of the best parts of our visit was a 4-hour marathon of trick-or-treating. I also walked daily 3 miles, so I'll take you on some of those walks with me and show you some of the landscaping here, which is so cool. It's very different here on the West Coast than it is on the East Coast. What I really wanted to do was show you what it looks like every day while I'm here visiting in Los Angeles. So come on along. I'm on the plane. I want to show you what I brought with me. Some homemade soy yogurt, and I added enough stuff to it that it made it bulky, and therefore it went through security. It has blueberries and some leftover granola and some cereal, shredded coconut, a little bit of maple syrup, some dates, and it's delicious. We hopped into a cab from the airport and headed to our destination. Look at that really cute pink house. It's adorable. I love the architecture here. It's so cool. And I love walking. I walked every single day as much as I possibly could. Okay. It's our first day here. We got off the plane just a couple hours ago, and we took a taxi to our destination, brought our bags in, got settled, put stuff in the refrigerator, and then I went for a walk. Put my sneakers on, got a hat. Who doesn't love walking in this weather? It's Los Angeles. It's absolutely gorgeous. That is great. Oh yeah. So it's a 3-miler for me. I've already done 2, so I'm going to try to somehow weave in and out of these streets so that I get at least 1 more mile in, so it'll be a total of 3. Right, so that's the beginning of our time in Los Angeles. One of the things that I love so much is the lawn furniture, or the lawn artwork, I guess, that's here. So many lawns have these really cute, just whimsical stuff in their yard. And this is their front yard. How cool is that? I love that. One of the most fun things about coming to other parts of the country are you get to see just the different landscaping, the different trees and bushes, and just the way people decorate their houses. It's really cool. We decided to head downtown for a little adventure. We went into downtown Los Angeles, and you can see all the big tall buildings, very different from where we were staying. And we also had lunch at a restaurant in Little Tokyo. Their sushi was outstanding. Their spicy edamame was delicious. If you know what to order when you're eating out and you're whole food plant-based, it's a piece of cake. So excited. We just got out of the Museum of Contemporary Art in Los Angeles, and we are sitting down to some sushi, and I am really excited to dig in. We went to this great exhibit at the Museum of Contemporary Art in Los Angeles, and the exhibit is called Monuments, and it was one of the best, most powerful exhibits I've ever been to. I am walking again, second day here in Los Angeles, and weather is absolutely spectacular. Even when I'm traveling, I stick to my morning oatmeal routine. The habit of eating the same way, the same breakfast every morning, really just grounds me. Yeah, sometimes I change it up here and there with waffles or scrambled tofu, but for the most part, it's oatmeal every single morning. Now, this kitchen wasn't mine, but they made me feel very comfortable. And here I am with the oats and the water and the fruit and the carrots and the zucchini and all of it, just everything that I need. Simple, cozy, comforting, no matter where I am. I decided to try something new with tofu. I had heard about it, seen about it actually on Instagram, and I thought, wow, that's interesting. I wonder if it'll work. So here I am cutting the tofu into cubes, and I boiled it in just a regular old saucepan with water. I let that go for about 5 minutes. Then I drained it. And once it was drained, I kind of patted it dry a little bit, and then I added some barbecue sauce, and I air fried it. And I can't even tell you how good it came out. I mean, it was chewy, it was flavorful, it was crispy. It was absolutely perfect for meal prep. I'm definitely going to do that again. And then I put it into a glass container to save it for future meals. It was perfect. Traveling or not, I love having food ready to go. Happy Halloween! Trick-or-treating was a blast, but I was starving by the time we got home. We checked out the kids' candy, and then after they went to bed, we made dinner. I had a beautiful salad. The produce in California, honestly, is next level. There's nothing like that here on the East Coast. Look at it. The salad was just bursting with color and crunch. It was just delicious. And I had my kind of treat. Instead of eating the candy, I had my salad and my crispy air-fried potatoes with some ketchup for dipping. Simple, satisfying, and 100% plant.
It's the Blue Jays and the Dodgers.
And who's going to win?
Dodgers win again.
My name is Ellen of Ellen's Healthy Kitchen, and it is my privilege to help you plant your plate one healthy meal at a time. A reminder that if you want someone to help you walk through what it's like to follow a whole food plant-based way of life, I'm your person. I'm your coach. I'm your accountability partner. So let me know. There's a link in the show notes below this video. You will also find links to my 2 ebooks, both of which are great to have in your own library so that you can start to develop a whole repertoire of recipes and also make sure that your pantry is well stocked. So grab that. The link is also in the show notes below. And remember, like this video and smash that subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my plant-based goodness. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. By the way, how do you like my Halloween costume?